Bellima, the practical side of baling. Bellima uses the chain elevator that has proven to be the most effective in a wide variety of conditions all over the world. The Krone elevator turns the bale without stopping, even when baling short and dry material. Bellima is the well-proven and simple model in Krone's range of fixed chamber balers. And the Bellima uses the same Krone chain elevator that has been proven thousands of times. Bellima, a new Krone baler, steps out in style. More than just a stylish machine, the Bellima is dependable, baling high-density bales from silage, hay, and straw at a low power input and low maintenance. Bellima, success comes so easily and looks so good if made by Krone. The Bellima picks up all the windrow to leave a clean field. Guided by steel or rubber wheels on each side of the pickup, the Bellima follows the ground contour. The Bellima F125 pickup operates at a width of 55 inches and leaves nothing behind. The distance from the pickup into the baling chamber is very short, which optimizes the overall intake of the crop and supports a continuous flow. Bellima F130 features an extra wide pickup of a 72-inch working width. The feeder augers on the sides and the integrated feed rake ensure a uniform filling of the baling chamber. This equipment gives the Bellima F130 an enormous appetite while ensuring a smooth flow of material, even short material. Bellima bales with a well-proven chain elevator technology in an enclosed baling chamber. This Krone design has been proven many times with hay, silage, and straw. The elevator rolls the bale without ever stopping, producing high-density bales from short and dry crop. Bellima stands out for its simple and clear design. This Krone baler uses only one heavy-duty chain to drive the elevator. There is only one hydraulic coupler to control the pickup and the rear door. The ribbed starter roller starts the bale instantly, optimizes the entire process, and takes the load off the tailgate. Another well-proven Krone feature is available as an option for Bellima, the mini stop. The mini stop function allows you to start a new baling cycle while the tailgate is still closing, enabling you to produce more bales in less time. During the baling cycle, the tailgate is locked and secured mechanically for peace of mind. The endless chain elevator is tensioned automatically. This design explains why Bellima runs so quietly with low wear. The non-slip driveline and the elevator that wraps nearly the entire bale reduce the risk of fragmentation and loss, as well as the required tractor power input. Bellima is available with a net wrap system or a twin twine wrapping system. You start twine wrapping with a touch of a button. The Twine system has two twines that run through guides to either side of the chamber and back to the center of the chamber. A coned pulley controls the number of twine wraps supplied per cycle. Once the cycle is completed, the system cuts both twines at the center of the bale. This type of twine tying system produces tight, evenly faced bales at minimum costs. The Krone net wrap system cuts down on the wrapping cycle and produces more bales per hour. The net wrap system on Bellima stands out for simplicity and functionality. The number of net wraps is easy to regulate. The further the screw is rotated on the shaft of the friction wheel, the larger the number of net wraps that are created. The net is cut when the rail swings down. Covering the shoulders of the bales, the uniform application of the net avoids air pockets that can form during the wrapping process of silage bales. Buying a Bellima means tapping into Krone's vast experience and expertise gained in 35 years of baler manufacturing. Krone round balers have proven to be the best under the most varied conditions everywhere in the world. Bellima. Simple, robust, and dependable.